Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the thread problem and securing the bolt so it won't turn while you work. Use a light, magnifier, or feeler to find nicks and the first bad coil. This tells you whether to chase or rethread. Once ready, clamp the bolt in a vise with protective jaws so the damaged section is accessible. Apply penetrating oil and brush away debris. This reduces friction and prevents further deformation, setting you up for the corrective cutting action that follows. You now choose the right tool: a thread chaser for mild damage, a die for restoring external threads, or a tap for internal repairs. Align the tool perpendicular to the bolt. Misalignment creates new damage. Then turn forward 1/4 to half turn and back off slightly to clear swarf. Repeat rhythmically. Keep lubricant on the cutting surfaces. This carries chips away and cools the metal. If resistance spikes, stop and clean the threads. Forcing increases the risk of stripping or breaking the tool. Once the threads run smoothly, deburr the ends with a file and clean all residues so the fastener seats properly. You should test fit a mating nut. It should start easily and run without wobble. If it still binds, you can rerun with a new die or upgrade to a helicoil or thread repair insert to restore strength. Use one size step only and follow insert instructions. If a tool binds or the bolt cracks, stop. Excessive force means you need a different approach or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.